So hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami Among Us characters. I have also uploaded this tutorial in Hindi, so if you want to see that, click here. To make this we need one square sheet of paper. I am using a yellow colored sheet. Start from the right side. We need to attach this crease from this crease, this corner from that corner. Attach them perfectly. Yes. Just darken the creases. Every crease that we will make, just make them dark creases by pressing them. Now open it and repeat the step from this corner to that corner. Okay. So now we have done this. Now just darken these both creases again, as we need them to make a base shape. Okay. So now from this corner, just join this corner to that corner, this corner to this. Just align this edge with this crease. Rotate. Repeat the steps. Align this corner to this crease. Okay. So now just take this triangle and open it from between. You can see a pocket type structure between. Just put your finger inside and make it like a diamond. So it will be like this. Now you can see that there are opening flaps this side. Keep these flaps on your side. Now take this corner and align with the middle crease that we have made in the starting. Repeat the steps. Okay. So now unfold this. We can see that just take this flap and push it upwards. Now again make these creases that we have made. Now one tricky step. We have now got some creases here, two creases here, one this and one this. Just take this white flap and just fold it like this. Okay. So now take the another crease. Just take the white flap and fold it on the another crease. Alright, so now we have got a perfect tip top peak. Just perfect these lines. No need to perfect this tip, just perfect these lines. Okay. You may also improve some folds here at this side, as it will be the outfit for our character. Okay. So now just make a clear shape, as we can see that the shape is like this. So just fold it inwards. Shape it according to our needs, bigger, smaller, that's our needs. Okay, now we have got the base shape. Now just turn it and again repeat the first step. Okay. Just align the creases with the middle line. Okay. Now we can see that there is a triangle here, so fold it downwards. We can see the back side of the head of the character. Just unfold these and fold the triangle again. Now we can see this flap here, and open it. It will be like in the shape of boat, and just press it to make it in a shape of diamond. Okay, now we have got it. Now it is for the legs. We can see that the legs are some moving now. Turn it over. Take this corner and align it till the top. top means that the triangle that we have made with the both legs. Okay, unfold. Now take this corner to the head of the imposter, this head. Unfold. Now we can see that there are two creases here. Just fold this corner until the second crease that we have made. Okay, unfold it. Now take the side flap and fold this inside, so that the last crease that we have made is folded till the second crease. Okay, till the second crease. Repeat the steps from the another side. Okay, now we have got some shapes of legs. Now to make these legs more perfect and moving, so we need to make this. First turn this over, then take this corner to this middle. Hold both the flaps and both aligned with each other. Repeat with the other side. Okay. Now take the legs and fold it upwards so that this corner is aligned with this corner. Alright, now we have made this. Now we need to fold it upwards. Make sure that there is some distance here. Fold it upwards in some not straight but some slanting shape, like this, so that there is some difference, some gap between them. Now just make sure that they are at equal lengths. Alright, now make these legs round. Just fold the flaps. Just fold the corners so that we can see some round legs. It will give shape to our imposter. Fold them according to our needs. Now I am satisfied with the shape of my legs. Just fold them till you are satisfied. Alright, now we need to make the backpack that will be here. This backpack that is here. So to make that, fold them. Just take this flap and fold it below. You can see this top. Okay, now you have to see if you want backpack this side, so just fold it this side, or if you want this side, so fold this side. I want the backpack to be this side, no, that side. Alright, just fold it like this so that this crease can align with this crease. Okay, now we can see that there is now unfold, and we can see that there is some type of this flap here. Just make the backpack as big you want. I want this much, and then fold this flap inside and put it inside the leg that we have made, some gap between the leg. Alright, now our poster is ready. Just we need to shape this top. Just fold it downwards and shape it according to our needs. Just fold it. Alright, so now we have got our imposter. Now to make the legs moving, just take the back side and push the legs upwards. Alright, now we can see that our legs are moving. Not that much, but they can move a little. So our imposter is ready. I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, please if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Do comment down that how was it, and give